Look at her smiling for you.
Hi. Hi there, Ashley. Thanksgiving 2011, and Ashlyn is 10 months old.
Video.
That's okay. What are y'all doing?
Nothing. I hear something moving.
Each person, Richard, you're on. You're up. Yeah. All right. That was a nice smile. And Grandma? Grandma's not gonna.
Give you time of day.
How about you?
I just gave you the time of day.
I think you did.
Day 9.
That's right. It's day 9. I want you on there. Get over there. Here's John. You'll be backlit.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Backlit. Okay, let's get you on there.
I look pretty bad. All right, I'll let you get me on here.
Still going?
It's going to be a, yeah, I may
Okay.
have to.
Okay, say something profound.
Profound.
Profound? That's right.
That's all.
Okay. Extreme